so this is my fifth video, and in this video I want to speak of the fact that of late I have begun having this thing called apple cider vinegar, and oh my god, it's bitter, but um, it is so good that you can apply it to your skin, in terms of you dilute it and apply. And did you know that apple cider vinegar employs the same technique that is used to make wine, or even alcohol, like it is fermented apples in this case, and I think wine is fermented grapes, right? So I didn't know this. So I mean, no wonder when you're tasting it, it really does taste like some kind of alcohol. So yeah, apple cider vinegar, people, it will give you good skin, and you can apply it on your skin to have clear, glowing, fresh, dewy type skin. So on that note, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.